Chapter 3. Now these were the sons of David which were born unto him in Hebron. The firstborn, Ammon of Ahinoam, the Jezreelitess. The second, Daniel of Abigail the Carmelitess. The third, Absalom, the son of Maacah, the daughter of Talmai, king of Geshur. The fourth, Adonijah, the son of Haggith. The fifth, Shephatiah of Abital. The sixth, Ithream, by Eglah his wife. These six were born unto him in Hebron, and there he reigned 7 years and 6 months, and in Jerusalem he reigned 33 years. And these were born unto him in Jerusalem, Shemiah, and Shobab, and Nathan, and Solomon, 4 of Bathshua, the daughter of Amiel, Ibhar also, and Elishama, and Eliphalet, and Nogah, and Nepheg, and Japhiah, and Elishama, and Eliada, and Eliphalet, 9. These were all sons of David, beside the sons of the concubines, and Tamar their sister. And Solomon's son was Rehoboam, Abiah his son, Asa his son, Jehoshaphat his son, Joram his son, Ahaziah his son, Joash his son, Amaziah his son, Azariah his son, Jotham his son, Ahaz his son, Hezekiah his son, Manasseh his son, Ammon his son, Josiah his son. And the sons of Josiah were the firstborn, Johanan, the second, Jehoiakim, the third, Zedekiah, the fourth, Shallum. And the sons of Jehoiakim, Jeconiah his son, Zedekiah his son. And the sons of Jeconiah, Asser, Salathiel his son, Malchiram also, and Pedaiah, and Shenazer, Jechemiah, Hoshama, and Nedabiah. And the sons of Pedaiah were Zerubbabel, and Shimei. And the sons of Zerubbabel, Meshullam, and Hananiah, and Shalomith their sister, and Hashubah, and Ohel, and Berechiah, and Hasadiah, Jushab-Hesed, 5. And the sons of Hananiah, Pelatiah, and Josiah. The sons of Raphiah, the sons of Arnan, the sons of Obadiah, the sons of Shechaniah. And the sons of Shechaniah, Shemaiah. And the sons of Shemaiah, Hattush, and Igael, and Beriah, and Neariah, and Shaphat, 6. And the sons of Neariah, Elioenai, and Hezekiah, and Azrikam, 3. And the sons of Elioenai were Hodiah, and Eliashib, and Peliah, and Achab, and Johanan, and Deliah, Anai, 7. Chapter 3. Now these were the sons of David which were born unto him in Hebron. The firstborn, Ammon of Ahinoam, the Jezreelitess. The second, Daniel of Abigail.